Hey guys, welcome back to Claw Life. We're here at a different grocery store that has 2 claw machines. Unfortunately, one of them appears to be broken. But we're going to be playing this one here. It has a really good grip. Problem is it goes back as it goes down. So, we're going to just drop it in the front here, try to get that little green ball. Right there. Perfect. Oh! Man. You can do it. Can you go to number 4 and stop right? Let's try that. There we go. Got that one. Win number 1. Winner! We're gonna go over here for this plush. Try for the plush.
I'm coming right now.
Yep, come on. See how good that clamps, guys? Look at that. That's crazy. Ooh, I wonder if I could get the little yellow monkey, a Mars 5004 monkey. I don't know who owns this machine, but it's a different guy than the other grocery store claw that I play. Ooh, maybe. Nope. Too far down. Maybe we'll try for that silver ball in the middle.
Try again. You can do it.
Try again. You can do it. I already have done it. I really want that silver ball. It's unique. Maybe. Yes. Come on, stay. Oh, wow. First try for it. And guys, I'm going to go get a bag for my wins. Alright guys, now we're going to go for the black ball there, because once again, it's unique. I've never seen a grocery store with 2 claws in it. Let's try. Maybe. Oh, wow. And first try for it. I could clean this machine out if I wanted to. Noby balls. Like I need more of them. I think we'll be coming back to this grocery store. That's to say it lightly. That's to say it lightly. Oh, I want that little penguin.
Try again. You can do it.
Try again. I really want this little plush over here. Oh, come on. It's gettable. I know it is. I went too far to...
Try again.
You can do it.
Pick up the ball.
Sorry about the noise behind me, guys. Somebody's putting money in Coinstar. I'm going for the little $100 bill here. Yeah, no. Oh, I could get that if it would go. I'm gonna try one more dollar here, guys. Let's see here. I don't know why they chose to put that 30% off sign. Alright guys, the coin mech was broken, but I just fixed it, so I'm gonna go over here again. I really want this $100 bill plush. It's the fire alarm. Well, the fire alarm's going off, guys. Oh. Maybe not. I don't know what that was, guys, but that was the fire alarm. I saw it blinking. Aww. Alright, one last dollar. Alright, last dollar, guys. Oh. Almost. Oh, that was close. Alright guys, let's do the official prize count. Now keep in mind, and I apologize about this, but I did win 2 things before I started filming, just testing the claw. So, this is going to count 2 things that I didn't get on film, but let's do the official prize count here. Oh no, the chute is stuck. It's so full. Alright. 1, I fixed it. 2, 3, cow thing. 4, 5, 6. That's it, guys. 6 prizes here. Not bad. This claw is really, really good. I like it. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this episode of Claw Life, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.